Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove your Mini Cooper's front grille. First, let's prepare. You will need a trim removal tool and a Torx T20 screwdriver. Ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the engine completely off. This guide will help you understand the process, which involves carefully detaching several screws and clips holding the grille in place. Now, let's focus on the upper part of the grille. You will find 4 Torx T20 screws along the top edge. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove each of these 4 fasteners. Once the screws are out, take your trim removal tool and gently pry around the upper retaining clips. Work slowly and methodically to avoid any damage to the surrounding trim. Moving downwards, you will find 2 more Torx T20 screws at the bottom of the grille. Carefully remove these 2 fasteners to further loosen the assembly. After addressing the lower screws, use your trim removal tool to gently release any remaining side clips. Take your time and apply even pressure to prevent breaking any plastic tabs, ensuring a smooth removal process. Once all the screws and clips are completely disengaged, the front grille should now be free. Carefully pull the entire grille assembly straight out from the vehicle. Take a moment to inspect all the mounting points for any signs of damage or broken clips. If you plan to reinstall the original grille, store it in a safe place. This completes the removal process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.